I got a whole committee here to help me find the worst skateboard at the whole park. Kelly Wakasa.
Yo, what's up?
Geo Smacks.
What's up, buddy?
Rob Skates.
Hi. Dude, that's what I'm gonna say.
Carlos Lastra 20_24. Hola. Does anyone have a bad board here, guys?
Nope.
Look at this razor tail. I would say this is about on the verge of breaking.
You know what the problem is because Christmas time had just passed, so I'm sure everybody has somewhat of a brand new board.
These kids. Did you guys get this for Christmas?
No, I just got it right now. No, Red Crib taped it up.
Sick, you got that for Christmas. Did you get this for Christmas?
No.
No, this is old. He had this for like a
Look,
month.
Lance, that's a person you don't know who is.
Booznitz.
Booznitz. I know who he is. Actually, he rides for Adidas and he has his own shoe. Switch it up. Show us something new. These are the mom babies. They're always here. They're always in our videos. So we need to do something new that we've never seen before.
I'll do a nugget fly on the like the wannabe kicker fly.
Heck yeah, never seen that before. Oh yeah, we forgot to show which deck we're giving away.
So I have this custom-made Johnny Geiger glow-in-the-dark deck from Revive.
It's so sick.
Shout out to Nathan Hester over at Snake Farm and all of their company for making this happen. Thank you so much. So we're gonna hopefully put a good smile on some kid's face.
Yellow!
You got
I got that. Bruh! Bro!
Next try.
Bruh. Did we count it?
Nope.
No, rebate.
Slipped off.
Get out there and rebate that. Hey, Lil Yachty, I love your music. Whoa! Hey, can you film this for me?
Yeah.
Yeah! Jeez. I did not film that. He went out of the frame. Whoa, look at those shoes. Hey, Lil Bo, can I see your skateboard? Who's your favorite artist that you've ever collabed with?
My uncle.
Your uncle?
Right there.
21 Sav?
You lost that.
We're gonna count that as a land. Oh my gosh.
Okay,
Can I see your board? Ooh, there's a chip. You've won this before, huh?
Yeah.
What did you win exactly?
Wheels.
Wheels. Well, I don't know that I can let you win again today.
It's okay.
We gotta spread the love.
I love my board.
Merry Christmas. Nice shoes. Can I see your board really quick?
Huh?
Can I see your board?
Yeah.
Red curbs, shred curbs. All right, that's good. Can you get that? The biggest tray flip of all time?
Yeah.
We're gonna see the biggest tray flip of all time. Hey, can I see your board?
Again?
Yeah. Hey, you won this before, haven't you?
I don't know.
Bro, that was his fault. Hey. Oh. It's not Fetty's day. New video, worst day at the park, featuring Fetty Potter. What? It's not real. It's not real. Oh, whoa. Excuse me, can I see your board?
Yeah, again.
Hey, didn't you win this before?
Happy Valentine's Day.
Can we go look at some other boards at some other location?
Yeah.
How about we let Carlos land the lay flip and then we're out? Okay. Oh! Who should we ask if they have the worst board? I'm scared of people.
I don't know.
Can I see your board? Huh? Can I see your board? Yeah. I'm looking for the worst board at the park. This board is awesome.
Yeah.
Thank you. I think that's it. Can I see your skateboard? I'm looking for the worst board at the park. Can I see yours? Can I just look at it? It looks good. Yep. Can I see your board?
It's just fresh.
It's very fresh. Can I see yours? Yours is super fresh. Hey, I want to ask you something. Has anyone ever said you look like Garrett Jenner?
No. Well, it was either him or him.
Oh no.
Hey, you want to do a trick?
Sure.
What's your favorite trick in the park?
Do something cool.
Yeah, well, side, the 5 stereo.
All right, let's do it. You got this first try? Oh! Rebate. There was someone coming and that didn't even count, and he looks a little bit like Garrett Jenner, so he's going to do it again. Carlos wants to do a trick. Dang. Excuse me, shake junt. Shake junt. Can I see your board?
It's like brand new.
Brand new.
Sexiest board at the park.
Sexiest board? What about your board?
Oh, it's fun.
Mike's Bikes. Can I see your board?
Yeah. It's got a crack right there.
Ooh.
Oh, that's pretty harsh.
This is pretty harsh, bro. This might be the worst board at the park. Can you do a trick?
Sure. I'll do this. How about?
No, Carlos, please. Carlos, no.
That was way worse than it should have been right now.
Carlos, please. I asked you. I asked you not to. Please. Freddy already set up a new board. Like, this dude's a savage. Gavin. That's what's up. Yeah. I told him not to, but he still did it. Did we already look at your board? No, we did not.
It's brand new.
It is brand new. Yours? It's also really nice. Did we look at his board? Can I see your board? Here's a grip tape. Anyone want to do a trick?
I do.
Who? Him. You're one of those kids that can just kickflip anything, huh?
Maybe if I tried.
Yeah. Get this.
I just need to go bigger stairs.
Come on, get this 5.
Yeah, Tom.
Squad goals?
What?
Squad goals?
What does that mean?
First tee, Fetty number 2. Yes. No grab, air walk. First try. Look at that fancy footwork, man.
I don't know why I'm not landing this.
You know what? Just take the pressure off. Just try not to land it. Oh! Sugar bowl. Okay, wait. You know what? I think what we need to do is have a committee. Gio, we need to have a committee. Hey, can I see your board for a second?
Yeah.
We're just gonna discuss it really quick. So, what do you think? It's the worst board at the park.
Look at the nose, it's a triangle.
What's the nose?
Oh, it is cracked. Yeah, it's the worst board at the park.
Yeah. We all vote that this is the worst board.
Yeah.
All right.
So they roasted you, so here is a brand new deck for you, man.
Ooh. Thank you.
From Nathan Hester, 3 Block Skateboards, Revive Skateboards, and Snake Farm made this
That's so
happen.
sick.
So,
Thank you.
It's tight.
dude, keep yourself skating, man.
I've never done the. I want to do this though.
The board
I
slide?
haven't done it yet.
You can do this. Oh! What did you think was gonna happen?
I thought he was gonna get sacked, honestly.
This one's for Rocco Ross.
My dog.
Do it! Oh!
My name's Jake.
Oh! Oh! Yeah, what's your Instagram?
Lucas is done, but Lucas is spelled with a K.
Don't mess up your.
Yeah. Yeah. Nice.
Thank you so much.
Absolutely. You killed it. You earned it. Good job. Last fist bump. All right, well, that was a lot of fun. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks to the whole committee for helping me find the worst board.
I was really happy that he was stoked to have that board, you know?
Yeah.
That's one thing, you want to give somebody something and for them to embrace it and just really be like grateful about it is such a good feeling, so good job, Lucas.
Totally. Yeah, again, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I do read the comments and respond to them, and I appreciate your feedback, and especially that you take the time to watch our videos. That means a lot. And that you take the time to comment. Like, you don't have to do that, and I appreciate that you do. So continue to do that, and we will see you next time. Subscribe, like, peace.
A two, a Chattanooga choo-choo. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
Hey, December 23rd to January 8th. Yeah, everything is up to 50% off.
Click on this playlist right here for all the videos in this series. Click here to get skateboarding made simple. It's the most comprehensive lesson plan ever made, and it teaches skateboarding better than anything else out there. Go to brailleskateboarding.com. You won't be disappointed.